So this is a great charger for your Apple products. You have your watch charger. You have your regular charger here. You have a charger here, so you could put an iPhone, or you could put earbuds or your AirPods there. You also have another charger here that pops up, so you have an extra little charging space there if you need it. So you've got two USB chargers. You've got a wireless for your watch, and then also wireless for your phone. So you just put your phone right there, and you're instantly charging just like that. Or you can set him sideways too, so you can set this guy down a little bit if you wanted to, and he's charging that way. So I wanted him down a little bit, and then or you can bring him back here like that. So he's already automatically charging like that. Let me just put him like this. There we go. So I've got him set that way. He's charging. Now I also have the AirPods, so I can set those guys here. And now I have the AirPods charging, and then I can charge my watch as well. So just throw my watch there. And I'm going to plug him in and just take a peek at how this guy charges. So let me see if this cord reaches. There you go. Perfect for your nightstand. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. The color's nice. It's like a plastic material. Let me just make sure everything's charging. Yep, that's charging. This guy is charging, and it's all charging up. So there we go. We set. And then again, you've got that extra little charger space back here. So you've got several, and it just plugs in super easy in the back. And once you do that, you can always go ahead and drop this down. You could always also drop it that way and just charge them on the, charge them that way. So you could lay it flat that way as well. And he's immediately started charging. It's magnet. It's like a magnet. So cool. Yeah.